Hello again, crafty friends. Rebecca here. So this is my August 2020 homemade stash kit that I will post two videos every Wednesday using the kit that I have put together here, and pardon my nails. However, I got really excited about this kit and thought I'm going to do a 3-page layout, and I got this far into this first 3-page layout and realized I didn't film AB4 stash kit. So how are we going to know what I used? So, because I can't recreate any of this stuff, these are the scraps that I have left from the full 12x12 pattern papers that I used, which is this purple dot one here, this car one, and this watercolor paper, and that's so sneak peek of that video coming up, okay? So I also grabbed all of the purple die cuts and just random embellishments to use on these 3 pages out of the kit. Now here is the kit. Here's the main kit. I am so sorry. I am a funny one. So these are all the embellishments, and yes, I mean this thing is chucked full. But I grabbed, it was all of the Chamel page kits that I had put together, and I had them in one big baggie. And what I was going to do is I had like 3 to 4 pages in each little baggie with a couple embellishments, and I stuck them all together in one big baggie with the thought that when I grabbed that to use, embellishments that I had left over would just roll to the next kit. So we're just going to do it all at once. So I have like all kinds of fun stuff in here. Stickers, die cuts, randoms, littler stuff. But I got it sorted into this little bin. And like I said, it is full to the brim. Sorry, I hit my hand. I once again grabbed this 2011 strips of paper. It matches the colors, so I'm still trying to use this up. And I did use a lot of this in the last one. And then here are the 12x12 papers. So like I said, other than the ones that I've already used, I have these. And now the things that are not in this kit are, Nuvo drops, enamel dots, cardstock, any kind of mixed media that I want to do. Now this looks like cardstock, but it's from the Workshop pattern paper kit. Okay, so those were all of the papers. Now along with this ginormous embellishment container I have here, which, I am trying to use this stuff up, so I am going to be pulling from this, which I was watching Janet over on RTS here lately, and I know she's on Patreon now, and I'm pretty much probably going to go follow her over there. But she had this like little sticker book, and I've also seen that Becky Bidding has it, and a lot of people do this. I went in first, and I had the wax, and I got a whole bunch of wax sheets on there. And let me tell you what, I was not going to go through all of my stickers and take them off and put them on these. This is a composition book that I picked up back to school about 6 years ago. I picked up a whole bunch of them because I was going to decorate them, and I still have the empty composition books. This one was decorated, and I was like, we're going to use it. So what I did was on these are like the ones that are on just little bitty sticker sheets, and instead of having to cut out and get it in here, I'm just going to do that. So I do have a lot of empty ones, but I just literally went and stuck all of the sheets in here, okay? So I just used my ATG and then when it is what it is. You do not understand. I know this seems like a lot, but I eliminated my recycling bin down here is a big tub. I filled it twice with packaging. So that is also, but I'm just leaving this sit like right up here next to my enamel dots and gems for, so I can grab for any layout, just because I'm trying to use it up, because I don't find myself grabbing them very much. Also, for the month of August 2020, my product focus is this bin. This is going to be my product focus bin from now on. Sorry, I'm hitting the camera. I spilled a whole bunch of coffee, had to clean up under my desk all over here, and then I just kept going. So I cleaned and organized my whole room, and I found a tremendous amount of twine. I don't reach for it very much, so I am going to get it kind of nicely put in here. And I am going to use twine, and then I have a whole drawer full of little bitty spools of ribbon, like the little bitty decorative ones and stuff. That is also a part of this, but I didn't want to bring them all up here because it would be another one, and I was trying to get this out of there. These right here are just puffy dimensional stickers that were in with the same stickers that went in that book, but I couldn't fit these in there. I couldn't fit these in here because they're dimensional. And sorry if that cut off real weird. I got a phone call and I'm recording on my phone. So I did go back to see what the last thing I had said was, and I was talking about these and why they're sitting here. So I am trying to use them up to the best of my ability. And I am also working on, I'm going to move my camera a little bit, using these items right here. They are all my embellishments that are like charms and baby and gesso, Boy Scout patches, plastic shapes, paper clips, fabric flowers, glitter, just a whole bunch of gems, enamel images, big gems, heart gems, glitter cutouts, gold coins, square tissue paper, solid gems. There's a whole bunch of stuff that I don't have, in that they're not really die cuts and they're not really stickers. They're basically embellishments, dimensional embellishments, bottle cap, flare, clothespins, stuff like that. So I find myself not reaching for that hardly at all, and it's literally right in front of my face. So I'm working on that now, and then I also have this fun one too that is now filling up. So we're working on those. So anyway, I am going to get started back on my 3-page layout and see how much of this kit I can get used up, because I was an utter failure for the July 2020 my stash kit and didn't use hardly any of it, and I just bagged it all up and saved it for a rainy day. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Click that subscribe button below, and I will see you guys later. Bye.